with open. They about to see us go. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just want. Gonna be you and me. Gonna be everything you ever dreamed.
My name is Tiani Farr. I'm a dark fantasy and sci-fi and cyberpunk artist. I drew these. I've done so many covers with Stranger Comics. I like fantasy, I like fairy tales so much, legends and mythologies, and I'm very aesthetic, I think is the word. Symbologies with the tragic lovers, the voyages into hell, into heaven. The first artists that inspired me were H.R. Giger, Luis Royo, Milo Manara. I would see what they did and I would try to interpret it into something of my own world. You can find me this Saturday from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock at the Stranger Comics booth, and Sunday from 2:30 to 3:30.
Remember.